English, you're on cue.
Lesson 13, Storms and Hurricanes. Safety. It is very important to keep yourself safe. Following things are what we should do. Before the storm, secure loose objects that could be blown into windows. Close and securely fasten doors and windows. During the storm, stay indoors as much as possible. Try not to walk or shelter close to buildings and trees. Keep away from the sheltered side of boundary walls and fences. Take care when driving on exposed routes such as bridges or high open roads. Do not drive unless your journey is really necessary. After the storm, don't touch any electrical or telephone cables that have been blown down or are still hanging. Do not walk too close to the walls, buildings and trees. Make sure that any vulnerable neighbours or relatives are safe and help them to make arrangements for any repairs. So, what have we learnt today? Let's listen and repeat the words. Fasten. Door. Window. Stay indoors. Fences. Telephone. Cables. Neighbours. Cover. Head. Neck. Table. Fasten. Door. Window. Stay indoors. Fences. Telephone. Cables. Neighbours. Cover. Head. Neck. Table. Quick quiz. What should we do before the storm? We should secure loose objects, close and fasten doors and windows. Should we go outside during the storm? No, we should stay indoors as much as possible. find a picture of telephone. Here it is. Now, let's sing our song today.
Whatever the weather is, different safety rules. Everyone, follow the rules. Follow with watch car, always follow the rules. Here are the safety rules.
What is the weather today? Is it windy outside? If there is wind, very windy, don't hold on and just wait now. Wait, 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 wait. Be careful when it is windy.
What is the weather today? Is it raining outside?
Drip, drip.
If it's raining, wear a bright rain jacket. Bright, 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 bright. Use clear umbrellas. What is the weather today? Is it dark outside? If the sun is going down, walk the bright road to streets. Walk, 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 walk. Be careful at night, 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 night. Everyone follow the rules.
That is the end of lesson 13, Safety. Remember to learn the vocabulary and the song. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.